On a sun-drenched bank in the heart of Florida, a specialized assassin is finishing its work. This is the Anhinga, often called the snakebird for its incredible neck flexibility. Watch the precision of its sharp bill. Unlike other birds that grab their prey, the Anhinga spears it. This creates a unique challenge. The bird must now toss the fish into the air and catch it headfirst to swallow it whole. Every movement of that serpentine neck is a calculated adjustment to ensure the meal doesn't escape. Experience the raw survival skills of nature's most efficient harpooner. This is wild Florida.